Welcome to Challenge 4 PED 527 Map and Compass with Robert Lorenz, Coach Rob. First part, we're going to talk about the parts of the compass. So we have the clear base, we have the 0 to 360 dial, and we have the needle, magnetic needle that points north. This happens to be a Sunto. Then we have the map that I printed out of the Adirondacks. This map has different trails, different amenities at different locations, and on the bottom is the legend, as Dr. Hovey mentioned in the video. And this map focuses on a scale at the bottom. Every inch equals a mile. On Dr. Hovey's map, it happened to be more detailed with contour lines. This map doesn't have that, but it does show different hiking areas, different trails, and it does give a scale of every inch equals a mile of the Adirondacks. All right, let's move on. We're gonna go come back to task 2. We're gonna go to task 3. Accurately demonstrates and lists the steps of taking a bearing from point A to point B. All right, so we're gonna use our compass. We're gonna find out where I am, so where we are. I'm gonna line up the edge of the base plate with the position where I am and then to my destination. So I'm gonna go towards Tioga Point. So I'm gonna go towards there. That's where I'm headed. Number 2, I'm going to turn the rotating bezel so that orienting lines are lined up with the edge of the map. All right, so that they're parallel as much as possible. So I'm going to line those up right now. And then step 3 is I'm going to account for declination. In New York, we're going to add 14 degrees. So here we go. Every hash equals 2. So I'm going to line that up there to 14. Have that there now. All right, so those are the 3 steps to take a bearing from point A to point B. Let's go to the final task of 4. Accurately demonstrate how to orient the map correctly in space, accounting for declination of 14 degrees. Step 1, we're gonna turn the rotating bezel so that we account for declination 14 degrees. So let's put that to 14. Everyone is 2, so we have that. We have that lined up, okay, 14. Step 2 is line up the edge of your compass with the edge of the map. I'm gonna do that right now. Then step 3 is turn the map until the magnetic needle is resting on the orienting arrow. So I'm gonna turn it, and there we go. Wait, a little bit more, and now it is resting. All right, so those are the 3 steps of demonstrating how to orient your map correctly. All right, now let's go back to task 2 for the finale, which is to accurately demonstrate taking a bearing outside of 200 degrees and then taking a bearing of a random landmark outside. Okay, I wasn't able to recruit a buddy here. I was using a egg crate here on the picnic table. I happen to be at Yeaman Park in Cortland. So welcome to the beautiful scenery of Yeaman Park at sunset. Okay. Did my best to recruit someone, couldn't get someone though, so we have to improvise. But I do want to start with finding the bearing of the fountain. All right, so let's look at this beautiful fountain here that's in the middle of the water. And if I orient to it, I'm looking at about, it looks like about 77 degrees. 77 degrees. Oh, by the way, I have to hold it correctly. As Dr. Hovey said, we have to hold the compass flat in our hand, in front of our belly button, and facing the direction that we want to go. So now it's about 82 degrees to the fountain, okay? And let's find 200 degrees and where that will be. Okay, so 200 degrees, we'll be facing away from the fountain. All right, so we're going to be going almost in the opposite direction of the fountain to go 200 degrees. Okay, appreciate you tuning in. Challenge 4 with Robert Lorenz, PED 527. Wish you all the best. So glad to be in this class.